quick tip on doing this. Dixon makes a stencil pen called the Dixon Reach Deep Hole Marker. They're about $9 on Amazon. The great thing about these is, as you can see, they have this really long sort of needle type tip, which makes it really easy to go around your stencils. And also if you're marking into something that, I don't know, how about one of these beads? If you need to mark a hole or a mark where you're going to be drilling something with something like that, you can actually get down in there and make your mark. So just a great little piece of kit. $9, not too expensive. This stuff's great. You can use it for modeling, making a skeleton inside a clay model that you're making. You know, if you're going to bake it in Fimo or whatever. But so that's what this stuff is. It very flexible, allows you to move it around, holds its position, fairly sturdy once it's in place. So that's what we're going to use for the inside of these fingers. I actually have a bowl of water over here. The water just will help the hot glue dry or cool more quickly. So let's add some hot glue to the tip. Push in our armature wire and then just cool it off in the water.